नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा.
Laughter is the best medicine. ನಗುವುದು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಔಷಧ. First think, then speak. ಮೊದಲು ಯೋಚಿಸು, ನಂತರ ಮಾತನಾಡು.
Silly cricket. Once upon a time there was a cricket. He was very lazy and did not want to do anything. He sang and dances all through summer. He was so lazy that he did not store food, which he would have required during the winter. Winter came and he realized his mistake because he had no food. He was starved. He went to an ant to beg for food. Danced till winter was over. The cricket realized his mistake. Moral: make hay while the sun shines. It means make a good use of an opportunity before it lost. Golden goose. Once there was a old woman. She had a goose. It laid golden eggs. She got money. She was happy. She wanted all eggs at once. She cut its stomach. She got nothing. Moral: greed is curse.
This is a beautiful story. The story name is Rabbit and Crow. Once upon a time there was a rabbit. He always tried to copy other animals. One day he saw a crow. The crow was sitting on a tree and doing nothing. Rabbit thought to the same. He sat on the ground doing nothing. When the fox saw him, the fox neared and ate him. Moral of the story: to see and to do nothing, you need to be on top.
She, it, we, you, they.
Contact with someone by phone. They tried to call.
I tried. Answer. I tried.
I tried to call you but I couldn't get through. Sorry, I turned off my cell phone. Don't call the bank at lunchtime. They are so busy. It's difficult to get through.
Over now. ನಮ್ದು law. ಕೇಳಿಕಲ್ಲ ಓವರ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ವಾ? ಅದೇ ಬೆತ್ತದ್ದು ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಛತ್ರಿಗಳು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಬಿದ್ರು? ಆ ತರದ್ದು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. It is his hands. When he entered the room, you go to.
Mysore yesterday.
Yes. Answer to. Did. Was. Were. Do you go to? Hello, Mysore. Do you go to Artha? Did you? ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ yesterday past tense ಇದ್ದು. Did you go to? Okay? Yesterday ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನೋದು ಕಾಣೋದು hey.
Will you wait for me
Correct,
for
sir.
dash will you wait for me from some time?
Yes.
You want me to attend the meeting tomorrow?
What are the options? Do. Did.
Have.
Do you want to attend the meeting tomorrow? Is, was, has, does. Is. Is ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ is, was, on, were, be, been, being, has, have, had, do, does, did ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ವಾ? ಇವುಗಳು ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಬೇಕು. ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಬ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ವಾ? ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಪಿಪಿ ರೋಡ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಪ್ಲೇಡ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಸಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್.
Writing a composition, we need to carefully observe the picture. To make this easier, we can ask questions and note down the answers or observations to these questions. you.